Let's take a look of question 11. Okay, question 11 asks you to find compound J is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Suggest a chemical test including the reagent and condition required for the confirmation test of unsaturated hydrocarbon. So basically the question 11 give you this reaction scheme. So first step you need to find. So what is the clue for this question? So the clue is very easy. So you can start from here. Because here you have an alkyne. So what is a reaction that involve alkyne? So reduction, reduction of alkyne. So reduction of alkyne. Hydrogen in the presence of platinum. So you get here is an alkene. So the answer for J is this structure. After that, from J, it undergo ozonolysis reaction. So to produce this product, L plus M. So what you need to do is, for ozonolysis, you just cleave at double bond. Then the answer should be like this. Place that you cleave the double bond, you should add O, oxygen. And this O. Okay, this is the answer for L and N. And then for J, we already saw for J, L, M. And how about for H? For H is this reaction involve addition of H2O. It will follow Markov rule. So So for Markov-Nikov rule, OH will add to the carbon which has lowest number of hydrogen. So here, how many hydrogen here? 1, 2, so here is 1 hydrogen. Here is also 1 hydrogen. So if like this, you can, the number of the hydrogen at this carbon and also this carbon is same. So you can add OH to this carbon, either this carbon or this carbon is same because the number of hydrogen here is same. So I just add here. I just add here OH and I just add here hydrogen. So this is the answer for H. So what is the answer for reagent K? Here when you use from dihalide to alkene. So from dihalide to alkene. Normally what is the method of preparation that involve dihalide to alkene? What is the reaction? Still remember? Dihalide to alkene. So here is a method of preparation because the starting material is others functional group to produce an alkene. So the method of preparation here is dehalogenation of dihalide. So dehalogenation of dihalide. So this method of preparation we call is dehalogenation. Dehalogenation. Dehalogenation of dihalides. So the reagent is zinc. So the answer for K is zinc. Then so we already solved for all unknown. So after that, you need to check back the question. So the question asks you to suggest a chemical test including the reagent and condition required for the conformation test of unsaturated hydrocarbon for compound J. So the suitable test to double confirm that the compound J is unsaturated hydrocarbon is very easy. The test is Bayer test. Bayer test. Other name for Bayer test is KMN, KMN and O4 test, or we call as potassium permanganate test. So for potassium permanganate test, what is the reagent and condition that you use? Still remember? The question asks you to give the reagent and condition for Bayer test. Bayer test, right? Bayer test or KMN O4 test. So you need to give the reagent and the condition. So what is the reagent? The reagent is KMnO4 and the condition, it should be in basic condition, in diluted condition, because you put here water, and it should be cold. Cold means that at room temperature, not you put ice. No, cold is representing room temperature. So what is the finding for this Bayer test? If this compound J is unsaturated hydrocarbon, so the finding is for unsaturated hydrocarbon, which is representing an alkene. So the finding is the color of KMnO4, purple color of KMnO4, or we call as purple color of potassium permanganate, change to colorless, and brown precipitate, mendakan precipitate, brown precipitate observe. This is the format for the answer. Purple color of potassium permanganate change to colorless, and brown precipitate observed at the bottom of the test tube. Whereas if the compound J is not an alkene, so the finding is the purple color of potassium permanganate remain unchanged. So because in this question you get compound J is an alkene, so the answer should be this one. Then illustrate the structural formula for compound JLM and N. So you already saw for J, L, M. Where is N? Oh, here is compound N, not H. N. Compound N. Sorry, here is compound N. Okay, N. Identify reagent K and condition. So already solved. Answer for reagent K is zinc and Suggest a complete equation for combustion of compound J. Combustion. So combustion means that it involves complete combustion. Complete combustion means that it will produce what? Complete combustion, normally hydrocarbon react with oxygen to produce CO2 plus H2O. So to write the balance equation, for question 11C, Q11C, COD. No, D. Sorry, D. So J, right? Plus O2, you get CO2 plus H2O. So here is we call as complete combustion. So when the question state combustion, so we assume it involves complete combustion. Then you need to balance the equation. To make it easy, you change this structural formula into you change this structural this character structure into formula. So how many carbon here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C6H. So here should be 3 hydrogen. Here is 1 hydrogen. Here is 1 hydrogen. Here is 1 hydrogen. Here is 3 hydrogen. And here is 3 hydrogen. So you can add up to get the total answer for hydrogen. Plus O2, CO2 plus H2O. Then balance the stoichiometry. So here is 12. So you should put here 6. 6 times 2, 12. So here is C6. So put here 6. Should be the oxygen here is 6 times 2, 12 plus 6. So put up, get 18. So here you can put 9. So this is the answer for 11D.